This morning, a huge storm came in to our city. And as I was driving around and I came to an intersection, a young boy, maybe around 9 or 10, was asking for money on the streets, begging, and his clothes were drenched and the wind was howling, and here he was. And I thought to myself, why didn't he just take some cover? And then I thought, well, it's probably because he gets more sympathy from the passers-by who would actually give him some money. And I looked at my wife and I said, what's happened to humanity? I mean, we are in a pitiful state when you see things like that. And then I thought, what would it take to end world hunger and to restore balance on this planet and make sure that everybody has something to eat? And I Googled it and I found out that someone like Jeff Bezos could feed the planet twice in a year and end global poverty. And the same Bill Gates could do that. In an entire year, he'd be able to do that. And all these very wealthy technopreneurs and entrepreneurs are able to do that single-handedly. And I thought, come on, guys. It's time that we take care of this planet. It's time that we take charge and give back to the planet that has made us so wealthy and change the narrative. Instead of it being about control and power, make it about giving back. And I guarantee you, you won't be any poorer for it. But hiding behind your little screens and controlling world populations and making sure that you increase the size of these ginormous empires is not going to help the same planet that's made you so wealthy. And don't give me some crap about it's too difficult to do and there's too much corruption. You've managed to create software, processes, even lobby Congress to pass bills to make sure that your products are protected under the various copyrights and patents, and you make sure that your product can reach within 20 minutes across the entire United States, and even getting special permits and permissions. So don't tell me that you can't work together to end world hunger and restore balance to a planet that has made you so incredibly wealthy. And it's time for you to change your discourse about control and power and giving back to humanity. I dare you